is none other than Isaiah Ling. So we want you to watch to the end. You watch, you listen, and you decide. And remember, especially to our police officers who have served, remember, it's time to give back. And this occasion is for us to support this event. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Isaiah Ling in living colors.
I know a place. I'll take you there.
Elegance.
I know a place. I'll take you there.
Elegance, the Jamaica Pegasus Ballroom Experience, Sunday, July 19, 2026. Featuring Crazy Chris, Master Ron, Wells and Irie, DJ VJ Snow. Every song is a video. Classic souls of the 70s, 80s, and 90s. A momentous occasion where fashion meets style. The best dressed couple and the best dressed dancer will receive $1,000 US respectively. Isn't that nice? Hors d'oeuvres and wine will be served. Admission $10,000. VIP experience $15,000. The experience begins at 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Part proceeds to the JCF Convalescence Home in St. Elizabeth. This one is gonna be different. I'll definitely be there.
Help them whichever way we can.
Sure.
I can't forget one of my good friend, a guy that worked very hard in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. He was there. I think he died from there to left Young. That bad sergeant, one of the greatest police passed through Jamaica. Him.
What's it? No, repeat his name.
Young. When first I don't remember him first name.
We at Delroy Young when you said eradication.
No, Delroy Young. Yeah man, Delroy Young.
Yeah man. Oh, that bad. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Police, but I put them on there way up. Where you me put them up.
Yeah man. That's true, man.
Yeah.
That's a Delroy Young man will go on I sell with the hot stepper them and them shot him and him liquor tree. Remember them time in the 80s, man.
I'm telling you, man. Yeah, man. Dangerous man. Man, I see the man scale a wall over jungle one day with the man. I'm gonna say, how him do it?
Yeah, man. Delroy.
What the man go by wall like a cat.
A true man. And him quiet. Him did that once be a shot. Him did that once be a while, you know. Yeah man, quiet on them thing, but unassuming. But them, you know.
Sorry, yeah man, just you know, man.
So this event have a benefit the police them where they.
Yeah man, as much as I can give them, I'm going to give. If it is well supported, I want to give them at least $1 million towards it. And because this event is going to be a series, so every time we do it, something go to them.
True.
Yeah.
Well, you know who I best candidate for that and them thing, Evan Blake, because when 2-time Blake get shot, when he get shot the last time, I nearly dead, them nursing back to health down at St. Elizabeth, you know.
Okay.
You understand?
But you see, I'm always saying it, you know, it happened like this, Porter, listen to me. Yes. A lot of people get gunshot and died.
That's true, man.
Yes, they died, them bury. But the ones who get shot and live, the trauma that them go through for the rest of their life, you would even understand. My talk from my perspective.
Yeah.
And everybody see me and don't understand. And M16 ripped through my body and I still survive. So I know I'm special. God have me.
Yeah.
Some purpose on this earth.
Well,
so I have to fulfill it.
At the same thing like Blake at M16 and a police shoot him to close range, you know.
Nah, tell them on a close range, man. Close range, man. I never know I could fly. M16 fly, bro. Fly. Like you watch Cowboy Show, you look a boy.
Yeah, man.
And you see that happen. Yeah, I never knew that it was real. A real thing, man.
So this promotion is really for benefit the police them and they
benefit them and let most of the people who want to wear them pretty dress or long them have them down the closet and put them on.
Yes.
Put on them pretty dress and can go dance. I'm free spirited. I tell you, the superintendent Edwards, one of the best dancers in the force.
Yes, man, Linwood, a party police we call him, Linwood Edwards.
Yes, man, man, party police. Party police. Have a challenge now, because Assistant Commissioner Phillips said, tell him that this $1,000 US is his.
Why me not?
He must win it because he must give it back to the people them down at St. Elizabeth. At the convalescence home, so he must win it. so that night is going to be a night
of fun, yes, man. And
yeah, man, a fun, man.
So where people can purchase the tickets them.
Purchase ticket. I'm gonna give you the rest of information.
The website
soon, and that we're going to it's Caribtic. It's gonna be Caribtic, but I'll tell you further on it that you can put it up on your thing.
All right. And what we'll do? We ask the other ex. Now what we'll do is ask the other ex-police them on YouTube to promote it, because this is for us, because without the police force, the experience or whatever, we wouldn't have it, Our police force groom all of us who even on YouTube now. You understand?
I'm gonna tell you this. Jamaica Constable Force. I don't know if it still is, but I suppose so. It is the greatest university on earth.
Boy, that is so true.
True. It was. But it is getting that kind of bashing nowadays that I'm not sure what to think. Because I don't know if there are people that are bashing is really talking the truth. But some of the things that they are saying, I hope it's not like that.
Most of the things that them are saying, it's because of the anti-police rhetoric. You understand? And it has taken seed within the people's consciousness. Because you have to understand, Remember, as I tell people all the time, if it wasn't for men like you, even us as young police wouldn't have it that easy on the street, because in your time, and Douglas Guthrie and Tom Levine them time, it was more dangerous as police even, you understand, because them time there, gunmen were them a walk past all the police station with them gun,
Of course, yes.
You understand?
I'm telling you, sir. I went to Admiral Town one day. When around the flare up, around the really flare, and jungle say a full time now,
True.
At 24 hours before I go back to my yard, 24 hours. 24 hours.
Honestly, Honestly, it was police officer like you when I was growing up in a Jonestown concrete jungle. As a youth feel safe, and I can say it publicly and everything. I have never seen you on patrol in the community yet. You understand?
Well, I'm on foot with it all over, because when you give me something, some place to protect, I serve and I protect my people in Anaheim and Rima.
True.
Jonestown, the entire area up the top is mine. Admiral Town Police area, my place. And when I'm in charge, no bad man can be in charge. It's mine, but it's my thing.
True. But as when you say them thing, this anti-police rhetoric, it seemed like what they want. What these people want, they want every time police go on operation, you have 3 police kill, like how them kill Superintendent Clooney, the detective corporal and the constable named Hilton over Spanish Town. Them want 3 police, and so them want to believe they are shooting, and them don't understand. Them have to experience how it feel to be shot at.
Listen to me. When I tell people that I was shot at more than 60 times. I am not lying.
No, man, I'm more than that, man. 60 times. That is just like minimum
60. Because I remember them. Remember one day when you had like 3 shootout, major shootout, and the man them fire like 200, 300 rounds at us, man. Trust me, man. I don't know how. If people understand what I have been through and survived, they would have never ever believed that I am real. Yes, I am real.
Boy, thank you for your service, you understand? Because I remember when I was growing up on them thing there, man, although them have them gun a jungle on them thing there, and all we are going, although them a bad man, I one police them afraid of them telling them leng, boy, I want me a leng buck up, cause you understand what I'm saying?
No, man, a whole heap of people will attest to it, man. A whole heap of people run to go foreign because them nasty.
That's true.
They can't. Yeah, but that's why that's how Shatter was written, Shatter was written because of me. So when the police when and I play my role in Shatter, I don't know if you know that. And when I the part where you see the guys run to go Miami at the end of it, Brother Benz and them, that's all it was. When you can't take the pressure of Jamaica from Ling, you run away.
Yeah, man, I whole heap of man, me know run away and them thing there.
That one, man.
Because
the man them used to call me from foreign and beg me to come to New York, man.
That's true. Right.
I had not gone to New York. I had a visa from 94 and I never went to New York until the year 2000. No, I never go there because that's not my territory. So I don't really ever run into them because they're strong up there, you know. And them have a whole rifle them and they can't do anything. So this is one man that don't lay them back careless. Because I never say never. I'm always having my eyes open. Because them say once a man, twice a civilian. Once a police, twice a civilian. There's always a police.
Why me always a police? Me always support the police them. Yeah. The only thing as just like we don't like the thief in police them, because them give us the bad name. Yeah, we can't take the thief in police or them thing there. Yeah.
No man, because one of the time, you know, I was putting a program together to have like $20 million in an account that when police charge for shooting or anything that within the law,
right,
I would find them liar fee. I was trying to do that, but somebody framed it and it never worked. I mean, just leave it alone. Somebody heard my idea
and run with it.
And try to run with it and it never worked. So I just leave it.
Well, I know a few police at Kingston was the charge, even the case with the boy from our Tivoli and them thing, where the police on the charge, where you help them and people don't even know that. You understand?
No, help man, help behind the scenes.
Yeah, you understand?
I am a behind the scene person.
I know that, man.
Somebody in front that is going to do some things.
True.
Help in every way possible, and the people don't understand the things that I've done. They don't want a life that I have saved since I left the world. They don't want a time people are dead and me them come to my office to say this and that I got up, you know. I'm going to have to take out my phone and make phone call and change certain things.
Well, use a man, but you know, use a man well loved, you know, because you know it's just like how a man call from prison and say, boy, the man them kill you. And as it reach out there and them thing, and the man them name is little after that the same tree man them dead, them kill the same man them.
Yeah, man.
And a criminal, you understand?
A criminal, a whole heap of people see it.
Yes, man.
Whole heap of people
I true, man, you're well loved, man.
It's not my house right now. My house right now, and a Sunday, maybe 2 people there, and we cook for like 12 to 15 people get food every Sunday from my pot. People pick up and we send some every Sunday, at least that. Yeah, man, we have to keep on feeding people. Can't shit. And when from my house, a little boy, my daddy told me, never cook for just who in the household, because somebody might have started.
True, man, true.
Yeah, man. And it ever happened. And then you know what happens if you cook. And you don't cook enough. And my food will go shorted down.
That's true, man. That's true, man.
Extra food. So we just grow up with the same kind of mentality and just do the thing there.
Yes, but you know, and we are gonna support the thing to them thing. But I'm going to share this video with the other ex-police them and we have YouTube on them thing because you know without the police, without the Jamaica Constabulary Force, most of us, as you have stated before them thing there, he said, boy, if a man was fool before him joined police force, when him turn police, him still a fool. See him here. You understand?
No, I always think that if there was a thief before them joining.
Yes. True, yeah, that is so true. Yeah. I see him think Tom Levine did say to me when him down him say, boy, young boy, if a man is a thief before him a police, when him turn police, him become bigger thief because now him have the police power behind him.
Something just born in a you know.
Yeah, man. True, man. True.
And now let's come up, so. Some of us live out nice and simple life. And I help as much as I can. We just love one another, brother. Just that we need to do that. Love each other.
True.
And the world would be better. But some people just believe that them on top of this world and that them alone should survive. It don't work like that. Because every time you start live like that, watch God.
You start using humanity.
Yeah, man, just watch God. Times you move up, man. Trust me, no? Alright, we go. We'll talk again on this though, because this is early days.
Yes.
And a whole heap of things are planned. Because some sponsors start coming on board now, so we're gonna advise about the commercial and send you a new one and thing.
Yes, man.
You can start with this now.
Yes, definitely.
Start with this now.
And we get the ex-police association up here involved to all them things to make sure so them buy some ticket and for people who want to attend the function but them can't afford it, them buy them ticket for, you understand? So what's the cost?
I want to tell you. It's $10,000 for the regular ticket and $15,000 for the VIP. Yeah, it's going to be an experience. And people, when the guy was saying showtime, I said no, it's not a showtime. It's an experience. It begins 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock until 11, it will be talked about for many years. And you know me, I always outdo myself, you know.
That's true,
and try to maintain it. That's what will happen.
It's going to go. Remember, say you are the man who set the pace when they come on to having show from in the evening to the next day. Remember, you start that, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm you start that.
Yes, man, you understand. You're a pioneer behind that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know.
Alright, so I'll give you one last thing. I went to Stitch Martin birthday Sunday.
Yes.
And I took some tickets with me. 50 tickets and them take them. All gone.
Yes.
All gone, yeah.
Well, it's only a pity that we don't have the posters yet and all of that, you know.
No, man, it's coming out, man. You're going to get the flyers by now and over the weekend.
Okay.
I have all of those things.
Alright then, brother Ling. Take care of yourself, man. And thanks for your service, man. And
man.
you know,
Bless.
yeah, man. Alright, Ling. Cool.
Alright, cool.
Let's have heard a conversation between Isaiah Ling and yours truly. I want to ask you something honestly. What do you think? After listening to the experience, after hearing the reality from someone who has lived it, has your perspective changed? Do you see the importance of what this event represents? Because this is bigger than a discussion. This is about action. This is about standing up for the men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who stood on the front line for all of us. As you have heard, you know, I have told him that when I was growing up in Concrete Jungle, he was the lead detective at Admiral Town. I have never seen him, you know, patrol, but I have known his worth and conduct. People in Concrete Jungle, Jonestown, love him. Criminals fear him. When I say criminals, I'm talking killers. Fear him. Because he was fearless. And fear. So now the question becomes, will you support the upcoming event? Whether it's attending, spreading the word, sharing the video, or simply showing your support in the comments. Every action counts. Drop your thoughts below. I want to hear from you. And if you're standing with our injured officers, type below. I stand with our heroes. Because support is not just something we say, it's something we do. And here's a man who have left the police force decades and he's still serving the people of Jamaica, especially the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Because as you have heard Len said, once a police, twice a civilian. But even although we are civilians, we still think as police officers, because that's the line of work that we cherish. And when we were serving, we serve with honor, courage and commitment. As you ever heard the man said too, we don't like thieving police because thieving police are the ones that give the police force bad name. So we have a name brand police as Isaiah Ling, who can speak publicly. You know, Isaiah Ling is an international figure. Isaiah Ling is not an ordinary police officer or a former police officer. So he doesn't have to hide because you have nothing to hide. You wasn't a thief. So that's the beauty about it when you're a crime fighter. And you can speak publicly. And no guy can point and say you're a thief. You understand? So that's why police officer like Isaiah Ling will lift that to him, because Isaiah Ling, you never hear him. Isaiah Ling give any brother-in-law a gunshot, sleep with no wanted man's sister, and help the wanted man for evade arrest or anything like that. That is what you call integrity, character. So no matter how much work you have done in the police force, if you do not have any character, it doesn't count. This is what you talk. The epitome of a crime fighter, Isaiah Ling. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.